Here's your camera. Oh, look at that. I'm glad I came back in here. I got a nice fingerprint still on it. That ain't freaking cool. Little son of a gun. This had to be specially spun. Oh, shoot. I'll do that. Not yet. I've got. You've got a little band that's right here. It has to come off. And that exposes the wire. Okay. Okay, stay close. Stay on this side. Okay. That's one thing. And that little band will slide out. Maybe. Come on. There you go. And a little band slides out. Keep those little screws together with that. Okay. Can't stay there. Alright. Now the cable is completely released. And now I can get to the cable. This has a little release. You pull it back. There you go. Okay. This had a little lift. There it is. It stands up and you can slide it right out. Lay that right in there. And you lay the thing down over it and locks it in. Huh. Flip it back up. Now the cable pops out. And I have my fingerprints all over that thing. So it's been a lousy picture. Oh, terrific. That got on there. Nice. So ay. Pretty clean now. Yeah. They're clean. Alright. Now, for this, that'll spin around to a point where I can get to there is a screw right here that takes care of the thing here. And then doing the spin around with the cable here is another chore. What do I got here? Okay. You got a screw right here. popped it out. Can't go anywhere. Alright. I popped that out. There's a screw that goes to that. Okay. Takes care of that. There you go. And 3 screws. It's supposed to be 4 screws. Huh. Alright. So that's that. This has got that freaking glue on it. Alright, so we're now at that point. Alright. And pull the rest of these screws out. And then of course you got that bearing in here again, right here. There's a bearing right there. There's 3 screws. And then the 4 screws. Put them around there. Because those are the screws. Hold that together. Now as you'll see, these are coming right apart now. Okay, that's that. And now we have the rest of the cable exposed. And those just wiggle out. Wiggle out. Spin around. Spin around here. And then they come out. Goes over the top of that. It's over there. Yep. That'll pry out of there. Pries out of there. That's pried out of there. This one here. Pry out of there. Almost. Alright. It's in there, but I can't guarantee that this harness was correct. So we're going to try tomorrow. We're going to try another harness, which is the one I sent away for 4 months ago. So we will see. And we're going to end it. We're going to end that with it to that way. Alright, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to comment and say hi, especially if you've done this before. And maybe you've gotten a bad harness. But as you can see the way the gimbal and the camera are acting now, something isn't right. So anyway, again, thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll catch me on the next altitude.